Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create an online class roster using Airtable. First up, pop open your Airtable and click on the plus New Base button. This is your starting point where you'll create your new class roster from scratch. The reason we do this is to ensure that your roster is organized and tailored for your specific class needs. Now that we've done that, it's time to create the table structure. Click on the plus Add Table button. Here, you'll need to add two primary fields, student name and email. This helps us because it forms the foundation of your roster, capturing the most essential information about each student. Next up, let's add some optional fields like attendance and grade. Just click on plus Add Field, name the field, and select the appropriate field type. The reason we do this is to track additional student-related information, which can be very handy throughout the school term. Now here's where it gets interesting. Airtable has a feature called Views. Click on the Grid View, drop down, and select Form. This allows you to create a form that automatically populates your roster when a new student enrolls. It's a massive time saver and ensures no student slips through the cracks. Let me explain why this matters. By using Airtable's Form View, you're automating your roster creation, turning a manual task into a seamless process. You can share this form via email, on your website, or through social media, making it super easy for students to enroll. Now that your roster is ready, let's talk about sharing. Click on Share View, then create a shared link. You can now share your roster with other teachers or administrators. This is important because it allows for smooth collaboration and seamless communication about student progress. And just like that, you've created an online class roster using Airtable. Remember, this powerful tool can do much more than just create rosters, so explore and experiment. Thanks for watching, and happy rostering.